It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and this is groundbreaking of what is going to be a phenomenal new front yard in Fullerton, California. So, what used to be here many years ago was, a traditional lawn. Then the new owners tried more of a native perennial shrub kind of situation that quickly grew very much out of control, and they said yick on that. Deborah found me through my videos and had me come out for a consultation, and here we are. So we first had their gardeners just take out, strip the weeds and strip the shrubs, and now we came in and sprinkled a pre-emergent for weed control all over first, then determined where we were going to put our, yes, you guessed it, dry stream bed. We are going to be doing a gorgeous dry stream. It is going to run through here, and what Greg is doing right now is just digging it out a little just so we can see it. As we're moving the soil, we need to, the guys need to know, oh yeah, that's where the stream bed's going, so that they don't throw soil on top of it. We have a total of 10 yards of soil in what I believe is about 1,000 square feet of yard space. We are going to be having really big boulders on this one too. We're doing Grand Canyon onyx, jasper purple, all of the really beautiful rock from KRC. Bart's going to be coming up in a couple of hours. Clients got really excited in watching my videos and went to Southwest Boulder here in Fullerton and got started with some really incredible rocks. It's so funny to me. When I came up, these were already in the landscape. So obviously these will be pressed into service. The only one that we're not going to move is this giant, gorgeous creature right here, because the client loves looking at it through her kitchen window. So we will be building the garden on this side around this rock. I cannot wait to get the soil down. We already have, a little bit of a down slope working for us. But these are going to be some extraordinarily dramatic mounds. And as I said, we're using much larger boulder on this job. This is new, guys, so I can't wait for you to see how impactful that's going to be. I'm also using much larger plants, and I've got a couple of phenomenal collectibles coming in from a private broker here in the Fullerton area named Matt Jones. More on him later. And Caesar from Sun Valley is bringing the bulk of my plants. I'm getting a 24-inch boxed Ramosissima aloe that's going to blow your minds. I have pulled a few things from Devil Mountain in Vista, some mangaves and a few other things. I got a beautiful mammillaria from Brandon at Desert Theater. We got all of our tapestry plants from Oasis. Over here by the fountain, or around the fountain, we're going to install a beautiful tapestry garden in here. So this will be fully tapestried. Then I will likely pick another couple of areas in the garden proper to do some small brush strokes with tapestry, but it's mainly going to be a specimen garden featuring a gorgeous one of Greg's and Hannah's incredible dry streams. We will also be putting in a flagstone path so they can get through this gate. It's going to kind of meander over here and then pick up somewhere here. So I will have a planting bed in here as well as here and here. And then, as I said, the mouth of our dry stream is going to be here. We're also going to be installing low voltage lighting, and it will be all plumbed for subterranean drip irrigation. Okay, so at the end of day 1, we have our boulders placed. Aren't they lovely? I'm going with a new look, you know, kind of a really organic, we're at the rock quarry vibe. So please let me know in the comments if you're liking the new stuff. JK. So no, Bart dropped, you know, all of our little stuff after placing the large gigantic boulders for us. And this right up here, guys, the mouth of our dry stream, this is so complicated. I mean, it looks, you don't realize what goes into getting the right rocks staged in the right place. Hannah and Bart worked this out. It took a while, but we nailed it. So this is really important too. If you're doing a dry stream, make sure that it has a point of origin and that that point of origin is elevated. And that's also important. So this is what we're working with. I went ahead and planted the Kalanchoe bayerensis too because I couldn't not. We're gonna be planting these Bacarnias. Hannah had this idea to do them together in a bunch, which I think is gonna look amazing, but the rocks kind of toppled over into our spot. So we'll get those in day 2. This dry stream will be lined with these smaller boulders here and there. Really want you to pay attention to, you know, to how this works and how we do this, and so that you can learn, because if you can do a good dry stream, you're 90% of the way home. So thanks for following. This is going to be a really, really exciting installation. On day 2, we're going to have a delivery of the most beautiful plant you've ever seen. So be sure and stay tuned. This has been Laura on day 1 from Fullerton. Peace out, guys.